At the Batavia VFW, we had a meeting, and Wayne Stevens, who is a good friend of David, had mentioned that he had known of a veteran that needed help.
The medicine for my cancer takes quite a whack out of my wallet, so, because one bottle of pills, $17,000.
On this particular one we're at today, Mr. Kline's house, we work together with the Batavia VFW and Service Plus, and we're blessed to come up with a solution to help Mr. Kline with a new furnace and air conditioner, which he was in dire need of with the winter coming.
This furnace was already done for, so it's a good thing that we're getting it replaced.
Dave worked for the phone company and he was a volunteer fireman, and he was always busy doing something all the time. And we had 4 kids, and then when he ended up getting the prostate cancer, it slowed him down to the point that he couldn't drive, he couldn't do anything, and he was just having a hard time.
There's times where, if I can say it, and pardon me if I get a little, emotional part of it, but there's a lot of times that people tend to forget the guys that really did a whole bunch, for their country, and because we're not the kind of guys that want to always ask, for help. We like to give it.
Go for a while. I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
I want to thank you with all my heart for stepping in, especially considering the program really was over, but you guys stepped in and took care of Dave anyway. That's truly a blessing, and I appreciate it, and I appreciate your company.
I'm really grateful for you. I mean, for me, it's just like, I'm nothing, but you guys are something else.